Warm greetings. It's our immense privilege to introduce the postgraduate level massive open online course in environmental studies on climate change, mitigation, and adaptation strategies. Our Mother Earth is experiencing a vast array of unprecedented environmental challenges, ranging from global warming to devastating floods, droughts, sea level rise, biodiversity crisis, and escalating water scarcity. Climate change is currently an inconvenient truth of the tragedy of the commons, the hardest wicked problem, the greatest collective challenge of humanity that cuts through all systems, sectors, and boundaries, calling for the climate emergency. To make a transition to a climate resilient and low carbon future requires human capacity building and enhancement of knowledge and skill with interdisciplinary expertise, practical competences, and a deep understanding of climate science, policy, and sustainable development. Keeping these perspectives in mind, myself, Professor Jayanta Kumar Bishwas, and Professor Soma Mukherjee are delighted to introduce jointly this MOOC course on climate change, mitigation, and adaptation strategies as coordinators of the course to be hosted by the University of Kalyani, a state university in West Bengal, India, having a glorious legacy of academic excellence over 6 decades via the Government of India's SWAM platform. This 12-week course of NCRF level 6.5 and a 3-credit weightage is a comprehensive and interdisciplinary program in environmental studies aimed at equipping graduate learners coming from diverse disciplines with an in-depth understanding of the dynamics and critical field of climate change.
The course is structured into 5 units and 30 modules, systematically integrating theory, case studies, and practical knowledge. The course objectives include to understand scientific principles of climate change and global warming, to explore and identify vulnerabilities, risk, and resilience, to assess and synthesize climate change mitigation and adaptation strategies, to apply tools and technologies, to interpret climate frameworks and policies, to design climate action plans aligned with SDGs, ESGs, and CSR framework. The pedagogy involves 4-quadrant model. The quadrant 1 includes teaching video, audio, animation, etc. Quadrant 2 includes references or further learning e-resources. Quadrant 3, discussion forum with experts. And quadrant 4 involves assessment comprising problems and solutions. The course structure consists of 5 core units with 30 modules. The core 1 that deals with global warming and climate change science, vulnerability, resilience, risk, and impacts. Core 2 mainly deals with mitigation and adaptation strategies, that is mainly technology-based interventions. Core 3, nature-based solutions. Core 4, market-based interventions. And Core 5 that deals with climate policy planning and governance. The course timeline across the 12 weeks is shown here.
Learning outcome mapping reveals that this course will build knowledge gaps, inspire and empower the participants, and promote capacity building in tackling climate change and sustainability issues with productive deliverables like acquiring the basic scientific knowledge and understanding, assessment and monitoring of climate vulnerability, resilience and risk, exploration, design and formulation of mitigation and adaptation packages of technology, nature-based and market-based instruments, development of skills comprising technical, policy and governance skills, analytical and strategic planning skills, soft skill and leadership, development of climate action plans, and best management practices. In a rapidly evolved global landscape, this course is designed not only to impart academic knowledge, but also to enhance competency, capacity building, and ultimately the employment generation in industries, government, and non-government organizations. We look forward to transform journey integrating innovative, collaborative, and shared responsibility to build a evergreen and sustainable future. Thank you.